Hello, another AQA A-level physics question on the mechanics topic. You could select a different question by hitting the information card up there. If you want to try this question yourself, I suggest you pause the video now. If you got the answer A, well done. So, an object is in equilibrium when acted on by three coplanar forces. Coplanar means they're just all on the same plane. We can think of that plane as being this piece of paper here. Which free body diagram is correct? Each diagram is drawn to scale. Well, if it's an equilibrium, then there's going to be no resultant force on an object. And that means if we add up any vectors and we put them end to end, they will end up back at the starting point, showing that there is zero resultant force. So let's just have a look at these three diagrams. Let's label these forces 1, 2 and 3, and then let's start putting these forces together. So let's put force 2 on the end of force 1, excuse my drawing, and then let's put force 3 on the end of force 2, and yes, I would say that produces a nice triangle, so A is correct. Let's just have a look at the others and see why they're not correct. Again, we'll label the forces 1, 2 and 3. Let's put force 2 on the end of force 1 and then force 3 on the end of that one, and you can see even with my bad drawing that that's not going to produce a triangle. 1, 2 and 3 again. For example C, we'll add force 2 onto the end of force 1 and then force 3 on the end of force 2. That's definitely not going to work. Once again, forces 1, 2 and 3, we'll put force 2 on the end of force 1 and then force 3 on the end of force 2. Definitely not a triangle. Okay, so the answer was A. I hope you found this useful. If you did, hit that subscribe button please, share with friends, watch more in the same series, maybe even hit the like button. Thank you for watching.